Hello viewers, welcome to this video again. Viewers, in this video I am going to share with you 5 English names of fruits. So let's see. Number 1, jackfruit. Jackfruit. Jackfruit means kathal. Jackfruit means kathal. Number 2, star fruit. Star fruit. Star fruit means kamranga. Star fruit means kamranga. Number 3, hog plum. Hog plum. Hog plum means amra. Hog plum means amra. Number 4, berry. Berry or blackberry. Berry or blackberry means jam. Berry or blackberry means jam. Number 5, pomelo. Pomelo. Pomelo means jamir. Pomelo means jamir or jambura. Okay viewers, keep learning and memorizing these names and waiting for the next video. Bye.